Hello everyone, this is Curtis with Weed Whacker Lawn Care. Hey, today is December the 1st, 2020. Hey, we made it. We done made it to these 12 months in this year. It's been tough, it's been a struggle. But it's all good though, y'all. Hey, this morning I'm on my way to pick up a Christmas tree for a customer. I did this last year for the customer and want me to do it again this year. So that's where I'm headed this morning. So I'm gonna go see if I can pick this Christmas tree up. I don't know how tall this tree is. I don't know. He was joking about it. I don't know. He said, "Oh no, it's smaller than the one from last year." I'm like, okay, I hope it is, cause unloading that big old tree last year, it was a lot of work in that, trying to get it through the door and all that. I was like, man, move it this way, move it that way. He was eating up a lot of my time doing that, helping him. I didn't mind helping the customer, I don't mind helping the customers, but sometimes, these customers, they don't want to be, compassionate about some of that green, you got plenty of money, but Curtis ain't got plenty of money. You up here taking up a lot of my time and giving me some of those, what's that, y'all remember that, Chibbles and Bits? That's what, some of that. You ain't really giving me none of that meow stuff, So make me want to just be out there. I need to be somewhere where I'm going to get some of that meow, yeah. Make me happy for Christmas, You want to be happy for Christmas, sure. It's been a long year. 12 months, come on now. It's been a lot going on in 12 months. And you got a 12-month journey, you ain't got time to be playing around for 12 months. You gotta do what you're gonna do with the year and try to make the best you can make with that year. And that's what I tried to do, make the best I can make. One thing I did try to do was stay healthy, safe, and well. Like they say, wear your mask. Hey, I wear my mask. I keep my mask with me at all times, which I got one right here with me. And so far it has worked out. Also, as they say, social distance. Yeah, I keep my distance. Stay at home. Have to stay at home because, hey, I don't want to get sick. So thus far, I've made it these 12 months without being sick, and hope to, can keep going on for the rest of this month. So I'm gonna try to stay safe, y'all. I want all of y'all to try to stay safe too. Stay safe and healthy and well, and hey, keep your head up. Don't let nothing get you down. Cause hey, we just want to stay moving, because we know some people, they want to go down, and don't worry about them. Don't worry about them. We ain't worried about nobody that want to be down. Don't worry about nobody that's trying to bring you down. Because, hey, can't nobody bring you down but yourself. You got to keep moving. Somebody can be trying to put you down, but they're putting their own self down because they're wasting time trying to bring somebody down when they need to be trying to lift themselves up. Lift yourself up. Get up. Move. If things didn't go right this year, hey, this year's finna end, so you got next year to get it together. You got a clean slate to make next year good. And you always start prepping yourself and say, well, I didn't make it this year, so I'm going to try to make it this year. The new year is in. I'm going to try to do all I can do. I'm going to have to grind harder because I didn't do so well last year. And that's what you got to do, y'all. Keep grinding. But anyway, y'all, hey, let's get on over here and pick this tree up for this customer and let them decorate it. I hope I get over there, and I hope Santa's waiting, got me something under the tree, like I say, some of that green stuff. Maybe a good stack, a rack of money, and that would be nice. But I know that ain't gonna happen. It's costing me money to go pick this tree up for this customer. It's costing me time and all. I need to get compensated, but I know I ain't gonna get a lot out of it. But it's all right. I'll still get the joy of helping the customer, and that's what it's about, helping somebody. Hey, y'all, what's on my mind? I know I did tell y'all last time that I was gonna share some cooking videos and I've been messing around with a channel over there. I call it Curtis at Home Cooking. So I went over there and well, I've cooked a few things for Thanksgiving and then some other little stuff there, other little videos. So I'm just messing around with that channel. So from time to time I may be putting some cooking videos over there when I have time to do it, you know, when I'm at home and I want to work in the kitchen there, I will do it. I may even, you know, show when I grill something or something other. From time to time I'll be doing some work over there on that channel there. So I'll share that with y'all. So hey, you get a chance, just go over there and check it out. I'll see if I can even get a link to it and drop that down in there and share it with y'all of just some stuff that I'm working on, you know. So, you know, if I decide to just not do lawn care, I'll just do cooking. I'll cook, you know. And I used to do a lot of that when I was on the road traveling. But anyway, y'all, enough of me talking. Let's get on over here right now and get this tree. All right, everyone, stay tuned. I just arrived at my destination out here where I came last year and they had all the Christmas trees. I'm gonna give you a quick view of the way these Christmas trees look here. This is where I'm at, and we're gonna look at the customer's tree. They didn't get that big tree like they had last year, but it's a little bit smaller. So we're gonna walk over here, take a look at it, and show them that we got their tree here today. Okay, here we go. They're gonna wrap it up. Okay, and as you can see, the tree, it has water that they put in there, and they have this medicine that they add onto it so that it doesn't turn brown right away. So you can see now they're gonna empty the water out so they can get it all wrapped up here. Okay, ready to get on there. So they're working on it, get it all wrapped up, laid over here for them. So they just tied. I guess they'll be all right with that.
They're going to bind it, yes,
bind
with that cord, so you'll be able to get it into the house.
Okay.
Okay. Madison Garden Nursery. Yes, Mrs. Brown, he's recording. He's here. The gentleman is recording. He saw that we had water, and he's taking a video so he can show you that you know, and he gave me the tip money, so don't worry about it. No, he's not taking a video because there's something wrong with the tree. He's taking a video to prove to you that we had it in water all this time, that we're dumping off the water. Yes, ma'am. Okay. He is still here. He's gonna load up in a minute, and he was just doing a recording of the tree. And we put vitamin. I showed him the vitamins that we put on the tree. No, you don't need to cut it again. We already have it in the stand.
So without water will be okay
for the journey? Yes, it's going to be fine for the water for it to go home on the. It was standing here all this time. It's not going to, you know, nothing's going to happen to the tree. Just as soon as you get it in, put you some plastic down on your floor to protect your floor, and then you can put the water in there. Now, you know, do you have vitamins over there? You have like Keep It Green. We have some Keep It Green solution for $3.99, or the Super Thrive, but that's $13.99. So that's it's up to you. He can either pay for it, and you could reimburse your landscaper.
What's the difference one with another?
One you can use throughout the whole year, the $13.99 one, and that has vitamins for all specific needs. If your husband brings you home some fresh cut flowers, you could put a little dab in there, and it makes the flowers last longer. If you're transplanting, it's Super Thrive. It's good for that. It's an awesome product. We use it here all the time by the big jugs. Yes, and we have the little bottle, and all you need is 2 little capfuls and a gallon of water, and then you could put it underneath your tree.
Okay. How much costs the
And the little one is $13.99, and the other one is just $3.99. Yeah. So you can he can pay for it, and then reimburse. You can reimburse him. Okay. Bring your
My truck. Okay. Okay. Okay, y'all. So I'm trying to bring my truck over, my trailer and all, and see if I can get this here loaded up and get it to the customer there. Oh, it's kind of cold out here today, but hey, it ain't too bad. It ain't too bad, y'all. Let me see if I can get this. Get in here. Where my keys at? Okay. I got it here. All right, y'all. Let's get on over here. Oh, wait. All right, let me get my keys. Okay. Let's get on over here. Okay. Let me pull on over here so they can load it up on the trailer. Okay. Alrighty. Okay. Let's see. Okay. Let me
Yes, ma'am. All right. I'll make sure he gets it. Okay.
Okay.
All right.
All right.
So he'll be with the tree. Yes, ma'am. Okay. All right. You have a blessed day. It's $3.99 plus tax. I'll give him the receipt. Okay. All righty. Thank you. Bye. Didn't I tell you? Didn't I tell you? He's not gonna say nothing. She wants to make sure. You don't have that thing still recording.
No, it's okay. Yeah, let me see what's the key.
You got that. You're still recording.
No, you okay? No, you alright.
You're gonna get us in trouble.
No, they good. They don't see nothing. Let me see, it may be the other key.
Oh, well, it might be the other key because that one ain't turning. Which other one?
Oh, it's this one here. There's only 2.
You're gonna get my ass.
No. No.
There you go.
I got to deal with them all here.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Well, you heard it.
Here, let's
Oh,
see.
the other one too?
Yeah. Yeah, I put some over there. It just rained on that thing. Okay.
Yeah, he's gonna put it on there.
Yeah, that'd be good.
Yeah. And put this in here.
Yeah.
Este primero se partó.
Yeah.
Pero porque la rama no van a tirar.
Who's gonna help me get it down?
Oh, the husband.
Oh, okay.
Hey.
What kind of people are you? Come on.
Hey, you got the lock?
The locks are right there. I
Okay.
done on locks.
Oh, okay.
Here's your keys.
Okay. Okay, guys. I'm headed back into Houston. This was way on the other side of town for me to pick this tree up. So you can see the way the trees look out here. They all pretty and everything. Everybody's getting ready for Christmas. So they got some more trees out here. Somebody's looking for some trees, and they'll decorate them and spray them and all. And this one right here, you can see it's laying down in the bed. I don't have anything else in there. So they laid it in there. So hopefully it will lay there and I'll get it back home to the customer all in pieces. Hopefully it doesn't roll all over the place. So I'm gonna be very careful getting that tree over there. But there you go, y'all. Hope y'all enjoy this portion of it. Let me see. I got something else I gotta do today. But I got this here out the way here. So I'm finna go and see if I can get this dropped off to the customer, but I'm not gonna record that part. Y'all take care.